In today's lesson, we will show two different ways to pay for an item using strategies with quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies so that we learn many ways to count money. By the end of second grade, we should be able to count money. Let's review what we already know. We know that pennies are worth 1 cent, nickels are worth 5 cents, dimes are worth 10 cents, and quarters are worth 25 cents. We also know that 4 quarters equal $1 or 100 cents. For those of us who struggle with counting money, there is an adaptation. We call it drawing hairs. Each hair is worth 5 cents. So a quarter would have 5 hairs, and I would count that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. A dime would have 2 hairs because a dime is worth 10 cents, and I would count that 5, 10. A nickel only has 1 hair because it is only worth 5 cents. Pennies we say are bald because they're only worth 1 cent. They don't have enough to equal 1 hair. Once we draw the hairs on all the coins, then you can count by fives, and then you can count it by ones for the remaining pennies. You are going to see at the top, I have all of the things that we already know in case we need to review them. My problem says a pack of deli fresh turkey costs $1.39. I need to show 2 ways to get $1.39. Here are some hints for showing your first way. You can, number 1, use place value, or number 2, you can use the fewest number of coins. I'm going to show you the fewest number of coins. So if I look back at what I'm supposed to show you, $1.39, I know $1, if I look up here, equals 4 quarters. So I'm going to draw 4 quarters in my box. Now I need to show 39 cents. So I'm going to start with the largest coin. I know the largest coin would be a quarter. That's worth 25 cents. Let's see if I can use 2 quarters. That would be 25.50. That is too much, so I'm going to take away that quarter. Now I'm going to move to dimes. Dimes are worth 10 cents. So if I add a dime, that would be 35 cents. Let's see if I can add one more dime. That would be 45 cents. That's too much. I need 39 cents. So let's take that dime away. Let's see if I can add a nickel, which is 5 cents. That would be 25, 35, 40. Still too much. I need to get rid of that. And now I'm going to use pennies. So I have 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And I can label that below each coin. Now, I will show you the exact same way, but using the adaptation for drawing hairs. I still know that $1 is 4 quarters, so I can draw 4 quarters and put a box around it to equal $1. Now to show 39 cents, I could draw a quarter and label the hairs. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Next, I could draw a dime and keep counting by fives. 30, 35. And then I would label my pennies. 36, 37, 38, 39. Now I'm going to show you another way to show $1.39 using place value. If you look at the number 139, you're going to see the place value above it, hundreds, tens, and ones. The 1 is worth 100. I know 100 is 4 quarters, so I still can draw 4 quarters. The 3 is in the tens place. Dimes are worth 10 cents, so that tells me I need 3 dimes. Then there is a 9 in the ones place. Pennies are worth 1 cent, so I would need 9 pennies. And I've labeled that for you. 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, and so on up to 139. So that is the way to show you using place value, your hundreds, tens, and ones. You would use dollars, dimes, and pennies. Now, for showing you the second way, you have a couple hints. You can, number one, ask yourself, which coins could I group together? Or you can ask yourself, which coins could I break apart? In this example, I'm going to show you which coins you can group together. I still have the same problem. A pack of Deli Fresh turkey costs $1.39. Show 2 ways to get $1.39. The first way, I used place value. I have $1 in quarters, I have 3 dimes, and 9 pennies. I'm trying to look for something that I could put together. I can't put 3 dimes together because there's no coin worth 30 cents. I can't put 2 dimes together because there's no coin worth 20 cents. So let me look at my pennies. I have 9 pennies. I know a nickel could be 5 pennies, a dime would be 10 pennies, and a quarter would be 25 pennies. I only have enough pennies to circle for exchanging a nickel. So I'm going to circle 5 pennies and draw a nickel in the other box. The rest of the coins that I did not circle, I'm going to draw the exact same in the second box. Now I'm going to show you how to break apart a coin. In this example, the first way, I have shown $1.39 using 4 quarters, a quarter, dime, and 4 pennies. This is the fewest amount of coins that you could use to show $1.39. So here I'm going to look for something to break apart. I know I cannot break apart pennies. Pennies are the smallest coins. I could break apart a dime into 2 nickels or 10 pennies. So I'm going to circle the dime and draw 2 nickels in my second box. The rest of the coins I would draw exactly the same way. If you need to watch any of the video again, you may because you have seen several ways to show money. After you watch the video, you may try for yourself on the next few slides.